Alright guys, today on the agenda, JJ has sprung a leak and we got to fix his radiator. So let's get to it. I was driving JJ the other day and noticed when I got gas that he was dripping a little coolant. I thought it was the spigot. I thought it was dripping out of here because I had messed with that. It's not dripping out there. You can see the fan shroud up above it is wet. It's running down the side of the radiator. So I've got a new radiator today and we're going to be putting that on. So let's get this thing drained. This is our dog Leaky. She's half lab, half golden retriever. She is one of my best buddies. She sticks with me on everything. Always happy to see me. Lay down, girl. Lay down. Lay down. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. I'm going to drain what's in the radiator first. And then I'll take the hose off the bottom. I got new hoses for this thing as well. And while I have the radiator out today, I'm going to try to clean this engine up. You remember how dirty it was in the first video? Antifreeze is kind of nasty looking. I got to do some repair to the fan shroud where they did a body lift on this thing, and instead of lowering the radiator to where the fan shroud would fit right, they left the radiator up high with the body so the fan shroud would hit the bottom of the fan. It looks like to me they just reached up there and jerked it and broke it. Just, I don't know, this thing is, they have messed up so much stuff on this vehicle. Whoever had it before me, I don't know who it was. I bought it from a guy used that had just got it, and he didn't want to really mess with it, give me a good deal on it, so I thought I'd try to take it in as a project. And man, has it ever been a project. But it's getting better. One screw holding that side. Okay, I gotta move. Need to put that in my bucket. Man, that is terrible. I gotta use ratchet. It has started mist and rain, so I thought we may be getting a little wet today. Congratulations. They got a different size bolt. I mean, that's the whole story with this Jeep. They have just mismatched everything. Everything you touch, they have been there before you, and they have done a terrible job. Makes somebody like me coming behind them to fix the problems, makes it a lot harder, because you know ahead of time when you get started they didn't do their job right. So I got to figure out what size. They just, man, they jerry rig everything. And I can jerry rig with the best of them. I mean, I have fixed the exhaust on this thing. I didn't make a video on that. they had a brick laying on the skid plate holding the exhaust pipe off the skid plate. Everything has been like that. Fixed the rear differential. It was pretty much holed out. And they had the caps. It's like almost main bearing caps that holds the carrier in. They had the caps. They have a specific side and a specific orientation they have to be in. They had them on the wrong sides and they had them upside down. Of course it holds itself out. All right, let's see. That's pretty nice. Right there's broke. I mean, everything you touch on this thing has been. I'm fixing to show you something impressive. Look at that. That's how they fix stuff on this Jeep. They just get it by. They patch it and make it keep going. They don't fix it, they patch it. So I either got to figure out a way to repair this. I have some ideas, or I've got to replace it, and they're about $100 because you can't find them. I hadn't found any cheaper than that. So yeah, this is going to go back on for right now, but I mean, they tore it all to pieces. There's that one. I gotta figure out what size. That looks like a 13. I've got a 10 and 11 and something else. Love working behind people that ain't got it going on. Okay, that's got a nut on it on this side. So the nut looks like it maybe a 12. So this radiator, you can see where it's got coolant been running down for quite some time. And it's even broke. It's got a big old crack. I don't know if you can see that or not. But anyway, it's garbage. And I'm sure, man. Now see, this is one thing I do like about the 4-cylinder. You can get in there and work on it. Take your radiator out, to what? 10 minutes to get it out. And I'm fixing to do some cleaning while I got this out. So let's get to cleaning this thing a little bit. Alright, that's a wrap on this video. We got the radiator put in. Fixing to take a test drive down the road, and we're going to get the fluid circulated and mixed up real good. And that should lower the fluid level a little bit, and we'll top it back off and get the radiator completely full and get some in the reservoir right here. So please like and subscribe. Come back for more videos with old JJ, the Junkie Jeep, and we're going to keep trying to make him better and better. I've got a lot more cleaning to do in the engine bay. It is still dirty, but it is better than it was. So I've got plans for the next video. I know what I'm going to be doing to JJ and something that he needs to have done. He's getting better and better. So come back and see us again.